Madam, please.
Very exciting to be here. We're very happy to be here. The United States is doing very well. It will continue to do well, and this will be a very exciting 2 days. Thank you very much.
Mr. President.
Yes.
Out of our way. President. So you just. Yeah, great.
We're here already. Thank you, everybody.
Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Welcome to Davos, sir. What's your message to everyone here? Think you're going to be received well?